Hello everyone, in this video we will going to see the installation and the setup of Laravel application in your system. Before installing Laravel, you need to have few prerequisites inside your system already installed. So these are the few prerequisites. The first one is a composer, second one is a good IDE, and the third one is a Xampp server. So composer is the package installer of Laravel which will going to install Laravel in your system as well as the further applications or further packages in your inside your Laravel application. And Visual Studio Code is a good IDE which have very good extension and a very good interface which will going to help developer to write a robust logic and functions. And installing Xampp means installing a local server inside your local system, so this will going to help you to interact with your server as well as database. So you just need to come to your Chrome and write whatever it is there in this file, and you can write it manually as well. These are the official page, you can download it from this depending on your operating system, and make sure the PHP version is 8.2. You can download it, and all the three softwares are important to install. VS Code is not important, but the rest two are very important to install in your system. But I will going to explain you something about VS Code. While installing VS Code, you will get into this page, that is this dialog box, which will going to ask you add open with code. So you need to check both these check boxes. This will really going to help you. I'll tell you how. So after everything is installed, go to your Xampp directory where you have installed Xampp. In this directory, you will find a folder called as htdocs. Go inside htdocs, create a random folder. In this case, I have created new project. This is empty directory. See, now we will going to follow something which I have already written here. We will check the version, we'll write a command, and we'll get inside the folder and hit the server. So how we can do that? Right click, see, this was I was talking about. Right click, you can see open with code. We'll click and it will going to open it inside the code. Now why I was trying to use VS Code, it already have a terminal inside it, so we don't need to go inside the Microsoft CMD terminal and write various other things. Okay, what we will going to do, we will going to check the composer version first, whether the composer really is installed or not. So right, this will going to tell me yes, the composer is really installed. This is my composer version. These are the various things which are related to composer. Now you can skip this step as you are already inside the project folder. Okay, just write php artisan serve, that is php command to run your server. Php, hit enter. See, there was some issue with the command as I'm not really inside my project. And why I'm not inside my project, as I have not created a project itself. So I'm going to explain you how to create a project. Composer, create project, predist, and Laravel 10, and this is the version. So Composer is something which will going to install the package by using a command called as create project. This means I want to create a new project with preferred along with all the files, folders, vendors, request, console, log, everything, app service provider, along with a package called as Laravel. I want Laravel of that package, and this is the folder name, that is application name. I can change this to whatever I want, and this is an optional thing which I can remove it. Currently I am installing of Laravel 10, so I am writing it 10. If you want to install of Laravel 8, you can write 8, 8.2, you can write that. And if I'm not writing something, if I'm eliminating this thing, it will going to install Laravel of the latest version. So just copy this, come here, and in the terminal just paste it. There is coming because of this unwanted question mark. Okay, hit enter and see, the process will going to start, and it will going to create a brand new Laravel application in your system. If you really want to check it, go to your directory and you can see the folder has already created, and this has few other files and folders inside it. See, the process has begun, and it will going to take some time. Meanwhile, I'm pausing this video and I'll resume it after some time. So the installation has completed. This is how it will going to look when the installation is completed. and you can see I have got a message called as my application key is set and everything is right. Okay, now see, this is my project, and now what we're going to do, we will close this and we'll come inside the application folder. We'll right click, we'll open it over here, and here we just need to make sure that we are running the terminal first and writing our command is php artisan serve. Hit enter and see, the server is running on port 8000. Just go on your front end and write 127. Hit enter. See, the Laravel is working well and fine in my system. Now, as you can see, as whatever I'll do, I'll get a response in my console, in my terminal, that I have done something. See, it will going to look like this. What we're going to do in this video, some more things. I'll tell you, we'll create a route and we'll check whether the Laravel is really working fine or not. So we'll create a route called as route. The method is get, and URL will be test function, no parameters, and I'll echo something called as hi, this is my first Laravel app. Correct. End of the statement, save it, go to your front end and just write here test and see whether you are getting the message or not. Yes, you are getting the message. So this is coming from your route. That is, in the coming videos we're going to see the MSC pattern, how you can do the same thing by using a view file, that is a HTML file. So this is this was something for installing Laravel in your system. So this is the basic structure of Laravel. This has everything in this. Later on we will going to fill the things by using our logic, by using our details. Okay, so yeah, this is done for this video, and we'll catch up in the other video, in the next video, where we're going to see the further parts of Laravel. Meanwhile, I'll upload this document as well as this command so you can practice it and read about it. Okay, uh, thank you for watching my video, and it will, I hope it really helps you to install a Laravel in your system. Okay, bye.